Okay, and this first step is to find this brake fluid canister, and it is that one. And then we have to open this upper cover. There are two clamps, and when I little bit bend this clamp, and in that way this part opens nicely. And this is important that we can see this cap hat in here, and then we can open this cap hat. Okay, and now when this cover is free, I can open this cap hat so that I rotate that area in this way. There is brake fluid, this cap hat, and then we can see in this inside and also the side areas because there are those markings. In this marking in here, this level must be in this max line, and in my case it is little bit in low that I have to add this liquid. And now when I rotate this cover in another direction, we can see this adding area in here. We can see that now this hole is open, and in that area I can add this brake fluid. And here is one good example what I can install. We need to add in there this brake and clutch fluid, and .4 level is good what we install in there in this my brake fluid canister. And I have to add this amount in so high that it is in this max level. Good. Okay. And then when I have add this brake fluid, I can add this my cap hat back, and it goes nicely, and I rotate, and then it stops. And I check that it is not moving. Then I shut down this up cover and note these clamps in here. This is important part, that we install these clamps in these holes in here, in that way. Firstly in little bit up phase, and then when these parts are in this position, then hit. Well done. And now this brake fluid inspection and add is ready. And please do this service annually, every year.